Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 16 and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, first thing you'll need to do is turn off your device by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, and then swiping down to turn off your device. Give it a moment. It will vibrate. When it vibrates, you can now hold power button and the volume down at the same time. And when you see the REALME logo on a screen, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. This will present us with a language selection page, so I'm going to choose English from the list right here, and here is our recovery mode. We only have one option in here, which is format data, aka factory reset, and the other one is just leaving this mode, reboot device, so it will bring us back to Android, which is what I will utilize right now. And just confirm it by selecting OK. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.